You know, I never realised until I came to Romania that the animals here, they speak a different language. Dogs don't woof woof, they ham ham. Mice don't squeak squeak, they keets keets. And frogs don't ribbit ribbit ribbit, they oak 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 oak. And chicks don't beep beep. For some reason, they carry guns and they say pew 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 pew. You know, I really thought the rooster was going to cock-a-doodle-doo, but apparently they cuckoo-dee-coo. And finally, cats. Meow 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 meow. I think that all cats must just be monolingual. They speak some universal language that every other cat can understand, so not as exciting.